The United Nations has made a strong warning that we must do whatever possible to prevent the global temperature from going higher than 1.5 degrees. As much as dedicating an hour or even a day, once a year may sound good. More needs to be done to deal with air pollution and global warming. More air pollution would increase global warming. It would mean more heat waves, forest fires, ice melting, rising water levels, failed crops, and increased commodity prices. Water will be in high demand and people will have more health problems. It would also mean more environmental refugees on the move. Many people are worried about the future of our planet and that there are no solutions available, until now. The solution to air pollution is finally available and interested parties can have an unfair advantage over the competition. Original equipment manufacturers that are under contract could alter the design and dimensions of the innovation to make zero-E work on any vehicle or a stationary structure that has an exhaust pipe in both the vertical or horizontal positions. Here is a demonstration of how the zero-E innovation would work on a vehicle. Exhaust pipes are cut and the zero-E device is installed and welded with brackets. The end connection spring device is designed to fit on the existing exhaust pipe between the engine and the muffler. Additional brackets would be required to attach zero-E to the vehicle. The first stage that the gases pass through is the electrostatic precipitator. By using a high-voltage electrostatic charge, it is able to collect and remove the suspended particulate matter directly onto the charged plates. The user can also periodically disconnect and clean the first container using water. Two thermoelectric generators flank both containers. This module is used as an independent electric power source, using the difference between the extreme heat from the inside and the cooler air from outside. The thermoelectric generators create electricity for both the first and second containers independently. The electromagnetic induction device uses the flow of the exhaust wind to move a pair of fan blades with attached accessories and magnets to generate additional electricity for use in the operation of the device. The second container is dedicated in the removal of the greenhouse gases. This is done using UV light, heat, titanium dioxide and nickel iron catalyst. It breaks down nitrogen oxides, nitrous oxides and carbon dioxide gases. Imagine if our negative actions to the planet would erase billions of life forms. Without notice, it would all be gone. Here's something to think about. Electric vehicles can spontaneously burst into flames multiple times even after being exposed to flooding or even a tropical storm. Both in extreme heat and cold conditions, the battery pack will lose power and possibly die. More than half Americans said that they will not buy an electric vehicle in the near future. Although, catalytic converters eliminate some air pollution. Unfortunately, they produce carbon dioxide and nitrous oxides as a byproduct. Many people complain but do nothing about it. Some people can see opportunity from this bad situation. The world needs a positive change and hope for a better future. You can do what most governments have failed to do. Time is running out and some life forms are on the edge of being erased forever. Everything that you consume or use comes from nature. We must do whatever it takes to fix our negative past and create a positive future where we work with nature. We must put nature first. Installing zero-E will allow you to drive without compromise, and the good thing is that it is excellent for the environment and the user. Nature needs to be protected, respected, cherished, and explored. Life is a journey, go outside and enjoy the ride. Companies that are interested in making zero-E as part of their existing product line may learn more by going to ecozeno.com and filling the online form to get in touch with the inventor. Thanks for your consideration regarding zero-E.